we're doing our 3-part refinance series, and we're going to talk about whether or not it makes sense for you to refinance and what type of refinances that you should take advantage of. So the first one we're going to talk about today is what we call a rate and term refinance. And a rate and term refinance is when you're doing exactly that, right? So you're looking at reducing the interest rate on your loan. And sometimes it's not about just reducing the interest rate. Maybe you want to get your 30-year into like a 20-year or a 15-year mortgage. That is something you could do right now. So sometimes people equate benefit to a drop in interest rate, but a lot of people, depending on where you're at in life, maybe you're getting ready to retire in the next 10 years, you want to accelerate the payoff of your mortgage, because in retirement, who wants to have a mortgage, right? So we can look at different types of loans for you. And in fact, rate and term refinances actually have some of the best interest rates compared to what some of the other programs we're going to talk about in our series, like cash out refinances. So if you want more information on what refinance makes sense for you, follow along for our next series.